friends, it is my job for this Christmas to make a delicious salad that I was obsessed with over the summer, and I have shared with you guys before, but I never shared with you how I made the candied pecans because they are absolutely insanely easy. So I am going to show you how to do that right now. Thing we're going to do is bring a pan to a medium heat, and then we're going to add a few tablespoons of butter to the pan and let that melt down just a little bit. Once the butter has all melted, I will turn the heat down a little bit. And then get those all nice and coated in the butter. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter just because I am making a lot more than I'm used to and it's not coating all of them super well. I'm gonna turn it down just because I don't want the butter to burn. You can use whatever low carb sweetener you like. I am using the Pure just because it's the one I'm most familiar with and I really enjoy the taste of it. And then this part I just kind of eyeball. I literally put like a handful of sugar in. And then you want to stir it ASAP. All right, so I'm turning my heat off. I don't see enough like sugar crystals, so I'm going to add a little bit more to it. Right now, I am just kind of letting that sugar caramelize on there. I just let them cook until I think it's all sticking, but nothing is burning. All right, friends, let's give these a try. They've been cooling for a little bit. They're so good. It's a perfect ratio of sweetener to butter, sticking them onto it. They're caramelized. So good. Are there probably better, more professional ways to do it? Absolutely. However, this took me like 5 minutes and I'm all about simple, easy, and delicious. So thank you guys so much. I hope you give these a try. They are truly, truly delicious and I love making them. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.